ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that. Oh.
Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School Umpling, Clara K. Boram Yagasni Bukerpang, Kikmi Kikpa, ke Parents Day, Haplau Jangan School, Hakasandre Unai Wing, Aratar Pausau. Hagarigasni, Lowell Mandanlang, UCM KHADC, Ubadu MDC Kathan, Yuba Pinyat Sing CM, Kumukongsan, Sister Mabel Dhar, Superior General, Visitation Sister of Don Bosco, Kumisumbut Kongsan, Sister Julita, Ibri Principal, Ringkat Kwi Part Kilingdo, Kiriunyam, Kikena School, Bat Kikmi Kipa Kibisha Khots Ngoba. Habakaran Haganigasni, Usi Amulong Baki Habred, Kilong Kibakirku, Barbadanbok, Bynniaw Kikmi Kipa, Banyalam School, Kikon, Hagariga School, Kabadikaway Naga School, Kababiangha, Hagajingikai, Bagajik Shakri Sister Kalong Kabakarpang. Kilait ligijing bausi liat ho hagabe day bat ki hapret keninga jong kalong gijing bernya than ki khenna hagi smartphone gijing Duna palat ki Pyndep ki civil service examination bat gijing sha khanglar bele ki nuki nuki kam le kai sport namana ying na sem ki ki sha khanglar be ki make pa ki dan ko gijing thmu yela ki khon.
The principal. Let us all give a round of applause.
When it comes to thanking our parents, where do we begin? Thank you both for holding our hands, for the first step we took, the tumble, the tears rolling down our cheeks, wiping them away and reminding us day to day, we are special, we are great.
Ha kanikas ni burang jumpi, kadno ngida daga jingkmen, Bynniaw ya kadur, mopuk samrki jumpi. Kublai ko may, nong pun nong ka, kublai ko pa, nong care nong da. Pilang di shisha, kashlang sandur, bad ubulong, jang gayem kasam. Pila ayani, kalang renyam kabapura. Pilang shisha, kipaya, kibaklan, bad kimau koridor, jang gayem kasam, kibakirshan, dan kajing i. Ha kalinti yar kajing jang i, knang bangin yo, ya kalang brio, kaman brio, kabanala.
हम सब यहाँ अपने माता पिता को पेरेंट्स डे मनाने के लिए इकट्ठा किए हैं, जो हमारे जीवन में अमूल्य भूमिका निभाते हैं। माता पिता हमारे जीवन का सबसे खास पहलू है, जिनके बिना हम जीवन की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। हम सब भगवान के आभारी हैं, जो हमारे जीवन में माता पिता को लाए हैं।
The formation of a child is done at home and by you parents. The other 50% is done by the teachers in the school. The teachers will teach math, science and other subjects according to the syllabus. Besides that, the total education of a child does not depend on the subject matters. Much more than that is what you parents can give. Intellectually, the school, the staff, of course, they also teach politeness, other skills which will help a child to have a future. But much more than what is being imparted in the school, what you parents parents give at home. That is the primary, the basic, and the most important thing you can give. What I'm going to tell, what you parents give to the children in the school, I don't say that the teachers are not giving. As I said, 50% both each the school and the family contribute to the 100% education formation of a child. You parents give them God first in the first place. We read in the Holy Bible, Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, it says, "Seek first the kingdom of God and everything will be given to you." Parents, you are very, very wise, very intelligent, because when you give God first to the children, half of your work is done. God is taking care of them. Through prayer, when you lift your children up to God, praying for them, blessing them, taking care of them in a very divine way. That is how you give God first to the children. And when they experience and they have God, wherever they go in life, they fare well. You parents give your time. And the most important thing the child needs is your time. When you have time to listen, to love, to hug, to embrace, to say, yes, very good, my child. That is the plus point. And the child will remember for the rest of his or her life. I used to observe how parents, especially a mother, having 3 children, still very small. One will be carrying here, another 2 will be standing beside the mother. Sometimes in between, the child who is standing will keep pulling the child stem or the cloth of the mother. Please carry me also, please carry me also. I used to observe keenly how a mother who is very wise, she knows that all the children need love, need attention. Sometimes she will put down the other one and will carry the other one for sometimes, or she will carry both of them or 3 of them, so that the child does not feel abandoned or neglected. I appreciate so much the understanding, the love, the wisdom the parents have towards their children.
phone ban penerkam di mobile tentang di smartphone dan tek iba penerkam dan tajimha dan sehingga gajuk mentah meleleh tidak penerkam Hidrai kidan ru penerkam dan mentah kiwe ki judankam kiba mentoi dan sini hak bankian penerkam ka social media hendak sini mentah kai kendu kartu kami ki kena Tektak ban keren niki amrung syuk namal bakila concentrate pula aga full kejengki. Ikuran ulit namal ba kala pala ndak ketika juk science technology. Ikna kila long attract long addict ke mobile phone. Dengan syukur tu ye kikme pa ban pendek pa ban discipline ki phone ki jokti Namal kani kan ni kawai ka kecike ka balin saya kan ham adin dari segi sinan ki banwan mentang ni nampak suku ngai ki nom ikman ki nom tawan asol bagi long slokia kani long concern pada kam ni ban address ini de bat ka ba namal ba kani ketika juk jongka jiya kini dari competition hakidan fair Nashpapan Pyndep ikmik pa ba kasket ke jomi haka bailey pat kanika civil service examination haka national level ki IAS ki IPS ki IFS mental ajan kumba hak arsnan ngikdan dan syur ki IAS banaka jelah ke jomi dengan kenjui ikmik pa kewapi lada PE ki kun ki jomi dan interest Aku kini kasih komen kejuni minta pelajaran di program tu healthcare. Abo ajiran dan server di sama labun ki program ki coaching program ki ban penjebet ki kena hadir pelajar jika high secondary hadir pelajar jika graduate di bawah ban late coaching dan minta civil service examination kila berbentuk jiwa berpaku di kebijakan. Nama kini kalau berdekat harus kata-kata. Nama ila Duna pelat key officers IS habuat sekretariat kejuni. Ni taklah banyak kita ni dan satu balai sama. Deklah kan ban berturun kami di policy status dan department berkait lawan dan baru IS kita nampak. Ini juga kan kunci nomikmat nomor dan kamar pensyuri kemik paru. Nama kalah kelenti kelatan. Kisah kita mencuba lagi kemik pas dua ban hak IS dan hak coaching IS civil service examination dan kanu kihap beban hak keham yang bercedur sedari dan syurwi space. Sekarang untuk mengenai kunjung dengan tentu di kemik pas semua ban pet pai ikut di kinu kita ikan sab kanu kebetar balik kita. But kebalai pak Syuru waru berkenjui mekpa lagi ikut dijumpi event sub ada sports activities berkait mentang state government keladan di facilities seperti sports, training, coaching kila ban register but kila ban Pyndep syangiru keladan kinu ikut dijumpi event sub ada bukan sporting activities karena nak menjadi penting kita berubah kita nama ba bunsiet kemik fa kata ke jugjalong kata niga jelas juni dari nak hak berduri ikun benang menstart hak kebakut pada kelada kuliah kila kminensi baik kandiok kausokan kata kelong kebabaklah nama ke government sector ketika government job ketika opportunity kandiok kausokan keduna hak ibapas Lalu kelas 9 hadut ki degree berkhel beralak dan apply kam hajla Meghalaya kidan kumba tuwako hajar hakashisnan but ki kam kabalai hakagomen shi hajar ketika permanent post hakinu ki post hakashisnan but shi hajar ki laku di contractual post dibayo nakini di government central aided fund Tetapi total kalau 8,000 ikam hakashisna. But the students dan ikina kirala kan apply yakinun kikam hadin ke kelas 9 hakinun kikam kalau kita buat real ko hajar mo hagislan dekade ka kata ka pertai ka bangiem apa dai ka jing yale dan ka competition de hab ban guide hal dan ban page pai ikun bakin la ban dan hatulu kan kasap bagi parents ikinom iki kini pan in hapan sungkur ban identify ikun di joki dan hamro ban hamu tu de hoy hadin pengalaman kini ke new education policy termens kan baka state government kan la ban shim ni jing ai jingut jog joki schools healthcare ekonomi kai management joki school kan ban Nila dan Yat Kum Kajuk Berbeda. Hadir 1972 Syekmat Peladan Kejing Kiba Bul bagi school skill apek pada state government. Dehundai wala kata hadu kini bisni nakaliam jom hasil satu masjid council niju yarap bagi skills repair dan haji yarap di schools dan tak infrastructure dan don kenu jingdan kam di keluarga yang ada mentalam di school, berkesenang, berbenhai, ia kena jika kulit nam tajuk untuk jadi ikut kejoki. Dan ki program ki balik, kiwe kerjakan dengan yarap di school, penting kiwe pakai tino hikmat yarap di school, mentoi ini. Jadi yarap di school, kemudian yarap nam tajuk mentoi jadi ikut kejoki. Kiwe pun pakai school senang kendong. Tiba dan hapo classroom hapo koridor sama pihak ban tak syitri hapo nama kajal slot dan mereka pun instrumen bangin dan hadin ke school hari po Hubert Memorial High School ke infrastructure ke pelapian dunia bat ninang kwa shishu benang kampung ha na kamenta ke jimentoi jom kini students ni kun jom ki baru 30 ni.
Round of applause please for our winners. Class 9 and Class 10. Chonmi, Evangeli and Yabhala. Prestimatron. Round of applause please for the winners of the debate competition, Class 11 and Class 12. Round of applause please. Competition in the class 7 to class 9.